Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into this gem, a 2000 Maxim 3000 SCR, stretching 30 feet of pure cruising bliss, listed at just $29,000. This express cruiser is built for weekend getaways or family adventures on the water. With a fiberglass hull, it's 9.95 meters long, boasting a 9-foot 11-inch beam and weighing around 11,017 pounds dry. Powered by twin 200-horsepower diesel engines, it hits speeds up to 33 knots, perfect for slicing through waves with its MaxuPlane hull design for agility and control. Step aboard the integrated transom platform with a retractable ladder, easy access for swimming. The cockpit features a wraparound windshield, radar arch, and bimini top with full enclosures for shade. A 1988 Chris Craft 381 Catalina. 38 feet of timeless elegance for only $22,500. This double-cabin cruiser is a sales legend from the 80s, known for bulletproof fiberglass construction and spacious living. At 38 feet LOA, with a 14-foot beam and 21,600 pounds, it's stable and seaworthy. Powered by twin 375-horsepower diesel engines for reliable cruising. No flybridge means a huge combined helm, perfect for entertaining without ladders. Walk-around decks add safety, and the four-deck bench is ideal for sunny lounging. Sleeps 6 to 8. Forward stateroom with double berth, aft cabin, convertible dinette, and salon sofa. A 2001 Maxim 2400 SCR, 25 feet of fun for a steal at $13,500. Ideal for beginners or day trippers, this cabin cruiser has a fiberglass hull, 8 feet 6 inches beam, and 5,000 pounds weight. Single 250 horsepower gas engine pushes it to 38 miles per hour top speed, with great handling via MaxuPlane design. Transom platform with ladder for easy water access. Cockpit includes helm seating, bimini top, camper canvas, and table. Cabin sleeps 4, forward V-berth, mid-cabin berth, plus convertible dinette. Galley setup with stove, fridge, sink. Enclosed head with shower and manual toilet. AC, hot water, and 110-volt outlets. A 1987 Silverton 37 convertible, 37 feet of versatile motor yacht magic for $24,000. This classic convertible has a 14-foot beam, fiberglass hull, and weighs in ready for offshore or coastal runs. Twin 350-horsepower Crusader gas engines provide power, with low hours on well-maintained units. Flybridge for commanding views, full enclosures for weather protection. Spacious salon with 6 feet 7 inches headroom, convertible sofa, and windows everywhere. Sleeps 6. Forward double berth, dinette conversion, salon couch. Galley to port with stove, fridge, full head with shower. AC, hot water, generator. Features: anchor windlass, VHF, compass, spotlights, trim tabs. Condition: refits make them look newer, maintenance records key. Locations like Graysonville, Maryland. Great for fishing or cruising. This one's a value play. Boat Trader link in bio. Like if you love convertibles. A 1982 Chris Craft 381 Catalina. 38 feet of heritage for $19,900. Enlarged from the 350 model, it's a spacious double cabin with solid 80s build. Fiberglass hull, 14-foot beam, 21,600 pounds. Twin 330-horsepower gas Crusaders for smooth rides. Combined helm aft deck keeps everyone together. Walk-arounds for safety. Sleeps 6 to 8. Forward stateroom, aft cabin, conversions in salon dinette. Galley with appliances, dual heads with showers, AC, generator, hot water. Features: compass, VHF, spotlight, anchor, bimini. Condition: well-cared freshwater examples impress. Low hours, clean interiors. Locations like Red Wing, Minnesota. Budget-friendly liveaboard or cruiser. We're checking out a vintage beauty, the 1980 Chris Craft 381 Catalina. 38 feet of classic cruising style for just $24,500. This double-cabin motor yacht is a staple from the 80s, with solid fiberglass construction, a 14-foot beam, and about 21,600 pounds dry weight. Powered by twin 330-horsepower gas engines, it offers reliable performance for coastal trips or liveaboard life. No flybridge keeps the deck simple and social. Huge aft deck for lounging. Walk-around side decks for easy movement. Sleeps up to 8. Forward stateroom with island berth, aft master with private head, convertible dinette, and salon sofa. Galley includes stove, fridge, microwave. Dual heads with showers and electric toilets. A C, hot water heater, and plenty of storage. Features: anchor windlass, bimini top, VHF radio, depth finder, compass. Condition often excellent in well-maintained units. Freshwater history a plus. Listings show spots like various marinas. At this price, it's a budget entry to yachting heritage. We're checking out a vintage beauty, the 1980 Chris Craft 381 Catalina. 38 feet of classic cruising style for just $24,500. This double-cabin motor yacht is a staple from the 80s, with solid fiberglass construction, a 14-foot beam, and about 21,600 pounds dry weight. Powered by twin 330-horsepower gas engines, it offers reliable performance for coastal trips or liveaboard life. No flybridge keeps the deck simple and social. Huge aft deck for lounging. Walk-around side decks for easy movement. Sleeps up to 8. Forward stateroom with island berth, aft master with private head, convertible dinette, and salon sofa. Galley includes stove, fridge, microwave. Dual heads with showers and electric toilets. A C, hot water heater, and plenty of storage. Features: anchor windlass, bimini top, VHF radio, depth finder, compass. Condition often excellent in well-maintained units. Freshwater history a plus. Listings show spots like various marinas. At this price, it's a budget entry to yachting heritage. A 2006 Cruisers Yachts 320 Express, actually 36 feet LOA of modern luxury, for $29,900. With a fiberglass deep V hull, 11 feet 3 inches beam, and 9,800 pounds dry, it's agile and stable. Twin 300 horsepower Volvo Penta gas engines hit 35+ miles per hour, ideal for day boating or overnights. Extended swim platform, cockpit with U-lounge, helm bench, wet bar, and full camper canvas. Cabin sleeps 4 to 6. Forward berth, mid-cabin lounge, convertible sofa. Cherry wood interior. Galley with microwave, fridge, stove. Private head with vacuum flush and shower. AC, hot water, stereo system. Electronics. Garmin GPS, VHF, trim tabs, windlass. Condition. Low hour examples look new. Fiberglass shines. Locations like Tampa FL in listings. A steal for performance and comfort. Diving into a trawler classic, the 1979 custom Sun Harbor Sundeck Trawler. 40 feet of efficient adventuring for $29,900. Fiberglass hull, 13 feet 6 inches beam, shallow 3 feet 6 inches draft for skinny water, weighing about 25,000 pounds. Single or twin diesel engines for economical 8 to 10 knot cruising. Huge fuel range. Sundeck layout with flybridge, wide side decks. Aft cockpit for fishing, upper helm for views. Sleeps 6, forward V-berth, master stateroom aft, convertible salon. Teak interiors, full galley with stove, oven, fridge. 2 heads with showers, generator, inverter, AC. Autopilot, radar, VHF, anchor windlass. Condition: solid builds last decades with care. Updates common. Dania Beach Flora listings noted. A 1987 Sea Ray 360 aft cabin. 36 feet of spacious motor yacht for $24,900. Fiberglass hull, 13 feet 9 inches beam, 22,000 pounds. Twin 330 horsepower Merc Cruiser gas engines for solid power, cruising at 20 knots. Aft cabin design with flybridge, swim platform. Salon with panoramic windows, lower helm option. Sleeps 6 to 8. Forward guest berth, aft master with ensuite head, convertible dinette. Galley up with appliances, dual heads shower, AC, generator. Extras: VHF, GPS, spotlight, windlass, bimini. Condition: well-preserved 80s models offer value, survey advised. Various locations in ads. Ideal for entertaining or weekends away. Boat trader link below. The 1964 Chris Craft Roamer Riviera, 36 feet of vintage steel-hulled toughness for only $17,995. This iconic cruiser from the golden era boasts a riveted aluminum hull, 12-foot beam, and around 18,000 pounds. Twin 327 horsepower Chevy gas engines offer nostalgic power, cruising at 15 to 20 knots. Spacious flybridge for panoramic views, teak decks for that retro charm. Sleeps 6, forward V-berth, convertible dinette, aft cabin. Galley with stove, fridge, enclosed head with shower. Wood interiors scream mid-century luxury, mahogany paneling, brass fittings. Compass, VHF, anchor windlass, bimini. Condition: expect patina. Well-restored ones are gems. Check for hull integrity. Locations like Great Lakes common. A budget way to own history. A 2002 Four Winds 268 Vista. 28 feet of family-friendly cruising for $29,995. Fiberglass hull, 8 feet 6 inches beam, 5,800 pounds dry. Single 280 horsepower Volvo Penta gas engine hits 40+ miles per hour with great handling for water sports. Extended swim platform, cockpit with lounge seating, wet bar, bimini top with enclosures. Cabin sleeps 4 to 6. Forward berth, mid-cabin, convertible dinette. Galley includes microwave, fridge, stove. Private head with shower and vacuum flush. AC, hot water for comfort. Electronics, GPS, VHF, stereo, trim tabs. Condition: low hour examples shine, gel coat often pristine. Florida listings frequent. Perfect for lakes or bays. A 2004 Monterey 282 Cruiser, 28 feet of performance for $29,900. Deep V fiberglass hull, 10-foot beam, 7,200 pounds. Twin 220 horsepower Merc Cruiser gas engines for 35+ knots top speed, agile in chop. Cockpit features U seating, helm lounge, bimini, camper canvas. Below sleeps 4 to 6, forward double berth, aft mid-cabin, dinette conversion. Cherry cabinetry, galley with stove, fridge, microwave. Enclosed head shower. AC, generator option. Highlights: windlass, GPS, VHF, spotlight. Condition: well-maintained ones look sharp. Survey engines. Coastal spots like MD in ads. Great for weekends or entertaining. The 1976 Campbell 32 Flybridge Cruiser. 32 feet of sturdy trawler style for $25,000. Fiberglass hull, 11-foot beam, shallow draft for versatility, about 12,000 pounds. Twin diesel engines for efficient 8 to 12 knot cruising, long range. Dual helms, flybridge and salon. Wide decks, aft cockpit. Sleeps 4 to 6, forward V-berth, convertible salon, possible aft berth. Teak interiors, galley with appliances, head with shower. Generator, AC. Features: autopilot, radar, VHF, windlass. Condition: solid 70s build. Updates make them reliable. Western U.S. locations noted. Ideal for coastal loops. A 2007 Glastron GS279, 27 feet of sport cruiser vibe for $22,000. Fiberglass hull, 8 feet 6 inches beam, 4,800 pounds. Single 300 horsepower Volvo Penta gas engine for 40 miles per hour bursts, perfect for towing or joy rides. Cockpit with bolster seats, wet bar, bimini top. Cabin sleeps 4, forward V-berth, mid-berth, dinette. Galley setup with fridge, microwave, enclosed head shower, stereo, AC/heat, electronics, GPS, depth finder, trim tabs. Condition: modern gel coat holds up, low hours ideal. NC areas in listings. Budget speedster. Boat trader link below. Like if you're ready to cruise. Subscribe for the series.